lobster. I see that lobster. What is a lobster? A baby lobster out here. What is going on in the world? You gotta be eating this stuff. What? Okay, see you later. Hey guys, so have y'all been enjoying the video so far? I already told y'all I'm not trying to talk through all these long videos. I'm not trying to do it. But anywho, look at this beautiful, gorgeous stream. Like, what's going on here? I mean, I could find beauty anywhere I go, even in the ghetto. Ghetto, living in the ghetto, sleeping in the... Okay, I don't own the rights to that song. So anyway, look at this. So look at my little toes. Yeah, did y'all see that baby lobster? I was like, wait, what out here? Like, it was a whole bunch of them. It was a whole family. But you know, I come every day and I ground myself. You know, you gotta center yourself. People that don't know, all you need is 30 minutes barefoot, like with no socks on. That's not barefoot. Come outside, step on the grass, walk on anybody's grass. I don't care. Okay, go in the park. It's free for now. And just be one with nature. You understand? Like, all you need is 30 minutes, and it takes all of... You could Google this. Anything I tell y'all, Google it if you don't trust me. Okay? Because I'm very smart. But it takes all the toxins and the iron and the lead out of your body, okay? And it regulates and balances your chakras. All you need is 30 minutes a day, okay? Not in the sun. I'm talking about getting barefoot and having your feet touch the earth, the earthly plane, the grass, the dirt, okay? And hug a tree. Okay, raise your vibration, because a lot of low vibrational entities out here possessing people. When you drink and when you smoke and when you do low vibrational things, when you have intercourse with the world and you exchange your body for emptiness, that's what you're doing. You're depleting your soul and you're depleting your high vibrational energy source. You understand? Your chi, that's your body's energy, right? You're basically depleting it. But this is not a teaching session. This ain't a class. I'm not trying to school y'all. But for those who know, you know. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Raise your vibration, keep it high. Because spell work, witchcraft, and all that evil stuff, and that hoodoo with the V, I'm not gonna say the word. It won't work if you keep your vibrations high, but it will work even if you don't believe in it. That's why your life is going in shambles, especially if you wishing bad on somebody else. If you send something negative to somebody else, even if you being jealous or you being resentful or whatever you're doing, you keeping negative nastiness, resentment in your heart, yeah, it's gonna backfire and you're gonna get negative results. So please clean it up. They don't tell you this. Anyway, it's time for me to donate. So I donate every week. I have a lot of clothes. And I'm not a hoarder. My foster mother was, but I have not accepted any of her nasty traits in my life. Sorry, because I'm not even on her bloodline. Please. So I definitely reject the whole being of her. And here I am, just for you to see me taking the clothes out my truck and taking it to the donation bin. You're welcome. How many of y'all do this? Like, listen, when you're doing good deeds, I do a good deed every day. And everyone that knows me, they know. I've been feeding the homeless since I was a little girl. And let me tell you something. God will always keep me blessed and covered and saved because I actually care. Okay? And love wholeheartedly people that has less than me, because I used to steal from the grocery stores to eat, and I never had food when I was a little girl. Nobody knew this. The only time I really ate was when it was Thanksgiving and we went to people's houses, or when I was in school. So imagine, all summertime, yeah, it was hard for me. That's why I always was at somebody's house. She always sent me to somebody's damn house. It was sad, but anyway, I'm glad I grew up and I don't have to live in that filth anymore. Okay, that toxic environment full of narcissists. But look at my beautiful baby. So we at the ice cream truck. Yes, look at her, spoiled. She picking what she want. So we gonna get. I got snowballs. I was thinking that's what she wanted, but no. So she wanted SpongeBob, but she didn't eat it. She ended up eating my ice cream cone, and I got chocolate ice cream cone because I love me some chocolates. But it's all good. So we were waiting for the guy to give us the food, and I gave him it was like $2. I just let him have the 5. But I want to thank y'all for looking at all my water collection. Thank you for watching and subscribing.